Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone sending green messages instead of blue. So blue messages bubbles mean the message is being sent through iMessage between Apple devices, and green bubbles usually appear when you message an Android phone. However, if both people are using iPhones and the messages are still green, there are a few simple things that you can check. So first, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center, and then turn on airplane mode and wait a few seconds, then turn it back off. So this refreshes your network connection, which may help iMessage connect properly. Next, open the settings app and scroll down to apps and find and select messages, and then turn iMessage off, and then wait a moment and then turn it back on. So this restarts the iMessage service and can fix temporary connection problems. After that, open a web browser and search for a speed test, and then run the test to make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So iMessage needs Wi-Fi or mobile data to send blue messages. If the message is still green, the problem may be on the other person's phone, and their phone may be turned off and then disconnected from the internet or using airplane mode. And then ask them to check their connection and restart iMessage as well. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.